Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to fully secure your TikTok account so no hacker, scammer, or unauthorized person can access it, even if they somehow get your password. This guide covers password protection, security settings, device checks, hidden TikTok tools, and anti-hack methods. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a strong and unique password. Most TikTok hacks happen because people reuse the same password everywhere. Your password must be minimum 12 characters, mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, not used on any other app, not something personal, birthday, name, phone number, etc. Example, Graphite92 Sky. Go to TikTok, settings, account, password. Update it now. Step 2. Turn on two-step verification. This is the most important security setting. Go to TikTok, settings, security, two-step verification. Enable SMS verification, so email verification, Authenticator app, Google Authenticator recommended. Even if someone knows your password, they can't log in without your code. Step 3. Check your login sessions. TikTok shows all devices logged into your account. Go to Settings, Security, Manage Devices. If you see a phone you don't recognize, a location you never used, a browser you don't know, tap Remove immediately. This instantly logs the hacker out. Step 4. Enable security alerts. You can receive instant alerts when someone tries to change your password, change your email, log in from a new device. Go to Settings, Security Alerts. Turn everything on. This helps you catch hacking attempts early. Step 5. Protect your email account. TikTok is connected with your email. If someone hacks your email, your TikTok is gone. Do this. Add two-factor authentication on your email. Add recovery email plus phone. Avoid public Wi-Fi for logging in. Never click unknown email links claiming TikTok password reset. Your TikTok is only as safe as your email. Step 6. Turn off saved login info. Many people leave their account auto-saved on shared phones. Go to TikTok Settings, Security, Login Info. Turn off saved login info. This ensures nobody can auto-open your TikTok. Step 7. Block third-party app access. Some fake apps say they can boost followers, give TikTok analytics, show who viewed your profile, increase likes. These apps steal your login info. Go to Settings, Privacy, Personalization, Connected Apps. Remove anything you don't trust. Never share TikTok passwords with any external apps. Step 8. Use a secure phone. Your phone security matters too. Enable Screen Lock, Pin, Pattern, Fingerprint, Auto Lock, Play Protect, Android, iPhone security and updates. Don't install sketchy APKs. Don't root jailbreak. A hacked phone equals packed TikTok. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now fully protected from hackers, scammers, and unauthorized logins. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs TikTok security, and subscribe to Mendit Tech for more easy tech fixes. Comment below, I secured my TikTok account, so I know you completed the steps.